Having trouble branding your business? Here are 7 golden rules to keep in mind. First, define your brand. Make your brand memorable with unique images and purpose. Second, maintain brand consistency. Consistency in tone, language, graphics, etc. helps consumers relate to you and your brand. Third, utilize the same logo and typeface throughout. By staying consistent, buyers can easily recognize you in a sea of information, offering your brand legitimacy. Fourth, maintain a professional website. Keep your website up to date with design and technical developments to stand out from the competition. Fifth, create an employee style guide. Without a framework, everyone's thoughts about branding your products and services may vary, making consistency difficult and reputation building difficult. Producing engaging material is tip number 6. Whether you're presenting to business stakeholders or writing a blog article for your specialized readership, you want it to look professional. Finally, follow marketing trends. You can't just set it and forget it anymore. You have to spend in your marketing plan to see results. Let us know how it goes for you.